In this video you'll know how to use Find Google Images and Music without any copyright issue.
Google is a huge space to search any images and music, but most of us don't know there is a copyright issue to use specific Google images.
NCS releases are free to be used and monetized in user-generated content. Made by independent content creators in video content on YouTube. Without the fear of copyright claims. When you are using this track, they simply ask that you put their link your description. So this is the easy tip for you all to use any Google image and music for free.
If you have any feedback, please post it below and hit the like button. If you found this video useful. If you have time, please subscribe to my channel.